Today we're taking a look at the dashboard in the new Ram 1500, and holy crap, that's a huge screen. For this new generation, the top of the line model has a 12-inch display oriented in a portrait rotation, sort of like what you'd see in a Tesla Model S. Basically what they've done is they've taken their Uconnect infotainment system and sort of stacked two of them on top of each other if this home screen is any indicator. So the customizable home screen allows you to view two different things at the same time. For example, your audio system and updates from weather from SiriusXM. You can swipe between those things to get different information like fuel prices. So when you go into navigation, you'll see that the map fills up this huge display, and it's a 3D map, so you can kind of swipe around it and then move up and down by sort of swiping with two fingers to get more information there. It's also got the same single line destination search, and you can just type into this one bar anywhere you want to go, whether it's a contact, a POI, something you're searching for online, or an address. It all goes into the same bar and search for it in the same place. That's a great simplification. Now, one of the things that I really like about Uconnect that's still present here is this customizable hotbar along the bottom. So let's say, for example, there's a feature that you really want to keep on the bottom all the time and have quick access to, like Wi-Fi hotspot. You come into the Uconnect app screen, you grab it, and then you just drag it down there, replace your phone with it, for example. And now it's always there, no matter where in the interface you are, for quick access. In addition to all the features that we've seen here, we've also got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, wireless smartphone charging, and holy crap, are those USB-C ports? This is the first car I've seen with USB-C charging in the dashboard that allow you to charge a smartphone up to 4 times faster than the regular USB ports that are there as well. So what do you think? Screen too big, just right? Are you gonna use those USB-C ports? Let us know in the comments, and be sure to subscribe to The Roadshow and check us out on theroadshow.com for even more coverage at the 2018 Detroit Auto Show.